Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. A warm welcome to every single one of you. To my subscribers and my new subscribers, thank you guys for the love and support. I really and truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, today I am going to show you how I make this delicious chicken peppered stew. You can call it peppered chicken or peppered stew. It's really entirely up to you. It's just fried chicken cooked in delicious peppered sauce, and it is a great side dish with either jollof, plain rice, fried yam, you name it. So stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some chicken. This has been cleaned with lemon and water. I've cut the chickens into 4 pieces, so the thighs into 2 pieces and also the legs into 2 pieces. I have some shallots, some red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet, feel free to add more or less. I've got garlic, fresh tomato. For my garnishing, I'll be using red onion and green bell pepper. I also have some chopped onions. For my seasonings, I have garlic granules, smoked paprika, onion granules, thyme, rosemary, chicken seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, mixed herbs, adobo seasoning. I have Maggi cube crayfish. I also have Badia curry powder, ground ginger, Badia complete seasoning, and vegetable oil. I will list everything in the description below. I am now going to cook the chicken. To my pot, I've added the chicken. Next, I will add a little bit of water before I add my seasonings. Once I've added the seasonings, I will mix everything together, cover and allow the chicken to cook on low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst the chicken is cooking, time to blend all the ingredients which I'll be needing for this stew. To my blender, I have added shallots. I will add the Scotch bonnet and garlic with a little bit of water. I'll blend this till smooth. I'll set this aside for later use. To my vegetable chopper, I am going to blend the red bell peppers and the tomato to a coarse consistency. If you have a food processor, you can also use it for this step. I will then set this aside for later use. And the chicken is ready. I am going to remove the chicken from the stock, ready for frying. I will not be discarding the stock because I will use it in another recipe. Guys, don't discard your stock because you can use it in simple recipes such as jollof or when you're making stew. You don't want all the goodness from the chicken stock to go to waste. Now time to fry the chicken. To my pan, I'm just adding enough oil and I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Next, I'm going to add my chicken and fry both sides of the chicken until it is golden brown. I will then remove and set this aside for later use. Just look at the beautiful color on the chicken. I am now removing the chicken from the oil. I will set this aside for later use. Next, I'm going to reduce the oil to my desired quantity before I start on the stew. I have reduced the oil to my desired quantity. I am now adding the onions. I'm just going to allow the onions to fry until fragrant and translucent. I am now going to add a little bit of curry powder and allow the curry powder to infuse with the oil and the onions for about 2 minutes. I am now going to add the blended onion, Scotch bonnet and garlic. I'm going to mix everything together and allow this to simmer on low to medium heat for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, guys, if I tell you the delicious sweet aroma coming from the stew, and I haven't even seasoned it or add my bell peppers, guys, you can literally smell the blended shallots, the Scotch bonnet, the curry powder. Now I'm going to add my blended peppers and I will mix everything together. Next, I will be adding my seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings, I am just going to mix everything together and I will allow the stew to simmer on low to medium heat for about 30 to 45 minutes until the oil rises to the surface of the stew. Occasionally, I will stir to minimize burning. And 45 minutes later, the oil has settled to the top of the stew and any liquid from the bell peppers has evaporated. The stew is smelling so good. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Next, I will add my chicken and mix everything together to ensure the chicken is well coated in the stew before I add my garnishing. And in goes the garnishing. I'm going to mix everything together, and guys, the peppered chicken stew is ready, or if you want to call it peppered chicken is ready. It smells so good. My mouth is literally salivating. I am going to enjoy mine with some coconut rice. I will have that recipe for you very soon. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. I really hope you try this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and tell your friends and family about this YouTube channel so they can also subscribe for some delicious recipes. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.